Pause for a moment and imagine. Places that rip you out of reality and drop you into another world. Endless mirrored salt flats, mountains painted with rainbows, castles rising from the sea. Our planet is wilder and more magical than you ever thought. In this video, we're diving into the 10 most surreal places on Earth. Each one's a dream, each one's a legend. Are you ready? Open your eyes, tune in, and buckle up for an unbelievable journey. Because here, anything is possible. The enchanted hills of Tuscany, Italy. Welcome to the heart of Italy. The famous hills of Tuscany look as if they were painted by a Renaissance artist's brush. Verdant valleys, emerald green vineyards, elegantly lined cypress trees, and medieval stone towns perched on hilltops. This place is a perfect dance of nature and history. As the sun sets, the landscape turns golden, and in the mornings, a veil of mist transforms the scene into a fairy tale. These lands have inspired countless artists, from Dante to Michelangelo, taking you to another time at every corner. When you step into Tuscany, you find yourself inside a painting. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Walking in the sky. Pause for a moment and imagine this. An endless expanse of pure white, turning into a giant mirror after rainfall. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, a 10,000 square kilometer wonder. When raindrops cover the salty ground, the sky and earth merge, making you feel as if you're walking on clouds. Reflecting the bright blue sky by day and the stars by night, this scene is a dream for photographers and adventurers alike. The locals believe this place is nature's gift, and the sense of infinity pulls you out of reality into a dream. Namibia. A desert meets the sea. One of the world's oldest deserts suddenly embraces the ocean. In Namibia, the golden dunes of the Namib Desert meet the deep blue waves of the Atlantic Ocean. This incredible contrast offers one of nature's most dramatic spectacles. The word Namib means vast place in the local Nama language, perfectly fitting this endless landscape. As the dunes stretch for kilometers and merge with the sound of the waves, you feel like you're in a science fiction movie. This place is also home to unique wildlife. Camels in the desert, seal colonies, and even shipwrecks line this mysterious coast. Mont Saint-Michel, France. The castle in the sea. A castle rising from the sea, and it's real. Mont Saint-Michel, on the Normandy coast of France, is an island shaped by the tides. When the high waves roll in, this medieval monastery looks as if it's floating on the water. When the mist settles, the entire world disappears, leaving only this mystical fortress standing. Victor Hugo called it the Cheops of the West, and since the 8th century, it has been a pilgrimage site for adventurers and seekers alike. With its narrow alleys, stone houses, and the monastery crowning the island, this place feels straight out of a fantasy novel. As you watch the tides dance, time itself seems to stand still. Elephant Rock, Iceland. Nature's sculpture. Are you ready for nature's artistry? Elephant Rock in Iceland is a massive rock formation shaped over millions of years by wind and waves. It resembles an enormous elephant dipping its trunk into the sea, so lifelike that you might mistake it for a real animal at first glance. This basalt formation symbolizes Iceland's wild beauty. With seagulls soaring above, waves crashing against the rocks, and the northern lights painting the sky, this place becomes even more magical. For photographers, it's paradise, a testament to nature's incredible creativity. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan, the Eternal Flames. In 1971, scientists set fire to a gas crater, thinking it would burn out in a few days. They were wrong. The Darvaza crater in Turkmenistan has been burning for over 50 years, earning its name, the Door to Hell. In the middle of the Karakum Desert, this massive fiery pit glows day and night, both terrifying and mesmerizing. At 70 meters wide and 30 meters deep, the crater is a fusion of natural forces and human error. Local legends say it's a gateway to the underworld. What do you think these flames are hiding? Dolphin Island, Gallo Lungo, Italy, a gem in the sea. Off the Amalfi coast, a dolphin swims in the sea. Gallo Lungo, part of the Ligali archipelago, is shaped exactly like a dolphin. Once a retreat for artists like dancer Rudolf Nureyev and soprano Maria Callas, this island is where history and nature collide. Surrounded by turquoise waters, this little paradise captivates visitors arriving by boat. According to legend, this is one of the places where sirens tried to seduce Odysseus. This dolphin-shaped island is a feast for the eyes and the soul. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Kingdom of Dragons in Vietnam. Over 1,600 limestone islands rise from emerald waters. Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is steeped in legend. One tale says, dragons created these karst formations to protect Vietnam, spitting jewels into the sea that became islands. Misty mornings, fishing boats, and lush islets make the bay feel like a fantasy film set. As you sail through, you'll discover caves, hidden lagoons, and tropical flora. Ha Long Bay is one of nature's most enchanting masterpieces. Rainbow Mountain, Peru. Nature's colorful symphony. What happens when mountains get painted like rainbows? Peru's Vinicunca, also known as Rainbow Mountain, is just that. Standing at 5,200 meters, its red, yellow, blue, and green stripes are the result of minerals dancing over millions of years. The local Quechua people consider this place sacred, and every year, thousands of adventurers climb to witness the colorful spectacle. In the early morning, sunlight sets these hues ablaze. This is nature's wildest art piece. You won't believe your eyes. Spotted Lake, Canada, a miracle from space. In Canada, there's a lake that gets covered in colorful spots each summer. Spotted Lake's high mineral content creates this strange landscape as magnesium, calcium, and sodium form green, yellow, and blue patches as the water evaporates. The indigenous Okanagan people believe the lake has healing powers and have shared stories about it for centuries. Frozen in winter and alien-like in summer, this lake reveals a different face each season, showcasing one of nature's most mysterious tricks. Mount Roraima, the Lost World, South America. At the intersection of Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela rises one of Earth's oldest mountains, Mount Roraima. Standing at 2,800 meters, this flat-topped giant, with its sheer cliffs and cloud-kissed summit, feels otherworldly. Scientists say it dates back 2 billion years. The summit hides endemic plants, bizarre rock formations, and mysterious waterfalls. Said to have inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World, Mount Roraima beckons. Adventurers, gaze upon this ancient giant and you might feel you've transcended time and space.